Tired of overpaying for cell service? Today we're diving deep into US Mobile versus Verizon to see which carrier truly delivers the best bang for your buck. First up, coverage. Verizon boasts the most extensive 4G LTE network in the US, especially in rural areas. US Mobile relies on both Verizon's and Mobile's networks, giving you solid coverage. But it's crucial to check their coverage map against where you live and travel. Most links to both are in the description below. Now let's talk money. US Mobile shines with its highly customizable plans. You can pick and choose the exact amount of data, talk, and text you need, starting as low as $10 a month. Verizon, on the other hand, offers tiered, unlimited plans that are typically more expensive, but often include perks like streaming subscriptions. Consider your data usage to determine which is more economical. Both carriers allow you to bring your own phone, which is a huge plus. Just make sure your device is unlocked and compatible with their networks. You can easily check compatibility on their websites. Customer support is key. US Mobile primarily offers online and chat support, which is available 24/7. Verizon has a larger support network, including phone support and physical stores, providing more options for assistance. So, who wins? If you're a light data user who wants ultimate control over your bill and don't need in-person support, US Mobile is a great choice. But if you need the widest coverage, top-tier perks, and prefer traditional customer service, Verizon might be worth the higher price. The best carrier depends on your individual needs.